So today I am unboxing the 17 Christmas advent calendar, 17 makeup Christmas advent calendar. This advent calendar costs £30. It is a 24-day advent calendar, so it works out about £1.25 a day. It's in a beautiful star design. It's quite deep, like it's got a bit of a depth to it, and I'm going to unbox it for you and tell you whether I think it's worth it or not. 17 is more aimed at, I would say, younger people, I think. I haven't tried a lot of 17 makeup, so I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you what the inside looks like. Love the packaging. I'm not keen on the colour scheme of the packaging for Christmas, but I love the packaging, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's so cute. I love advent calendars. And yeah, we're just going to unbox it. Remember, this is £1.25 a day. Currently, as I'm checking, it's sold out, but it was available, obviously, because I bought it. So I'll have it linked down below, and you can keep checking whether maybe it's available in store for you or if it's available to buy online, because I'm sure they'll be refreshing and restocking. So, and anyways, day number 1 is here. Let's see what it is. It's quite exciting. So it's wrapped in tissue. We have got this limited edition eyeshadow. I'm not so sure what I think about this shade of eyeshadow. I feel like it's very 90s. It's giving me total 90s vibes. I'm not sure if it's me, but I remember having shades like this in the 90s, you know, as maybe 2000s, as I was growing up. So, and I hear that sort of stuff is coming back, so, you know, I'm not with the times. So that was day number 1. Day number 2, which is here. Ooh, we've got a clear brow gel or clear mascara, one of the two. Just trying to see. Brow gel. Yeah, clear brow gel. Good size as well. I honestly have not had to buy a brow gel once this year because I get that many in advent calendars. Smells like glue, but I quite like the smell of it. Yeah, so it's something I will use for sure, so happy with that, and I like the size of that, and if it's a good brow gel, you know. One of my favourite brow gels has been from the Profusion advent calendar. So that was day number, like from previous years. Day number 2, so we want day number 3. So is here. We have got, oh, I think this is a nail polish, but I guess by the tissue size, we have got a little red nail polish. How cute is this? It's so cute. I love it. It's so cute. The cutest little thing ever. Love that. I love a nail polish. We want day number 4. Makes me think of little mini OPI nail polishes. So we have day number 4 anyways. We have got an eye pencil, like the packaging, very simple. Reminds me a little bit of Sleek. And it is just a plain black eye pencil. Quite happy with that. I don't wear eyeliner, so I'm not going to swatch it because it'd be wasteful. But if you guys watch my channel, you guys know I use some of the days from my advent calendar to make 2 advent calendars for an advent calendar giveaway. So that was day number 4. Day number 5. Let's have a look. Where is number 5? Down here. And I do use some of the products to make advent calendars for my friends and family as well. We have got, I think, a brusher. It's a limited edition bronzer. This actually looks right up my street. It looks very much like, is it Dallas from Benefit? I feel like it looks like Dallas from Benefit, which I absolutely love. I'm going to have to compare it. But yeah, let's have a look. We'll feel this one. We'll see. Because this looks like something that I will use. Mind, I have had swatches on this, but that isn't there. Love the shade of that. That's definitely something that I would wear. Love that. That was day number 5. Day number 6 is here. We have got a mascara. I really wish, I hope this is like a mascara they actually sell on their shelf and not just made for the advent calendar, which doesn't look like it is. I like it when the advent calendars, if they're brands like this, put their actual products in. Don't think this is, unfortunately, because it's like a way of trying their products, you know. That doesn't look like one of their mascaras they sell. Mind you, I don't even know if they sell mascara. So, day number 7. Oh, we've got the cutest little thing. Littlest pair of tweezers. I love that day. I know I get a lot of jip for liking the tatty days, but I do. I like that day. That is something I will use. I will put them tweezers in my purse because the chin hair is becoming real. So that was day number 7. We want day number 8 is here. We've got another thing wrapped in tissue. It feels very heavy. Oh, I don't like this day. We've got toenail clippers. I'm sorry. I just opened the Profusion Advent Calendar. It's the same price as this. And trust me, yeah, you don't get things like that in it. No, thank you. And especially if this is aimed at younger kids, I don't think toenail clippers should be like for kids. I don't know, but I'm not happy with that day. That was day number 8. We went day number 9. We have got something like material. Oh, it's a headband. Oh, that's canny, and it's got like in our part, so it's styled a little bit. Oh, I quite like that. Yes, that's something I will use if it fits my head. Yes, okay. I've seen lots of people actually wearing headbands like as fashion, for fashion now. So we want day number 10. This is quite heavy. I think this is a bath bomb. I think this is a bath bomb. It is. It smells nice. Little bath bomb. Okay. So that's different. I was quite shocked with that. I wasn't expecting a bath bomb. How did this fit in here? So we want day number 11. Not sure how many like that tiny little bath bomb would do though, you know. It's for one bath. Right. Day number 11 is a powder product, I think, because it feels like one. We have got a limited edition highlighter. This is a dark highlighter. I feel like you could use it as an eyeshadow though, but it's definitely quite dark. Yeah, not for me, a bit dark, and I don't need any more eyeshadows in my life. But, you know, you could use it as an eyeshadow. So it's not a bad day at all. So that's day number 12. We have got a brush, a lip brush, I think. Oh, I think that's a lip brush, or maybe like a little corner smudging brush. Quite nice. I quite like the simplisticness of the packaging, and this actually will be something that I will use because I am after a little brush like that. So it feels good quality. So that's day number 12. We went day number 13, which is here. Have a look, see at this one. I mean, you're getting lots of tissue, but you can reuse, so that's good. It's saying you're getting old, you know. It is a powder product, and this is a limited edition eyeshadow, and I'm sure we got this in last year, so I'm not going to swatch this, but because I think I own this, or I've owned it and maybe pass it on to my niece or something. That is it there. It's beautiful though, but like I say, I don't wear stuff like that on my eyes much because I feel like it ages me and I want to look young. So that was 13. We want day number 14 is down here. Oh, we have got a mirror. Oh yeah, I think that my answers what I think about that. We want day number 15. I think this 17 has been knocking about with Revolution. We've got a 17 brush. This is quite cute. The bristles feel nice enough, not coming out. Not the best quality brush, but it's definitely something you could use, especially for the age range it's aimed at. Not maybe a brush I would use. That was 15. We want day number 16. Yeah, packaging is really good. It's easy to open. Oh, they have got a sponge. Oh, I like this sponge. It's a bit denser than most sponges, but I like it. I like the feel of that sponge. That's probably one of the best feeling sponges I've felt that we've gotten up to now in any of the advent calendars. So we're on day number 17. 417 advent calendar. Okay, I'm sad, so ignore it. Right. We have got a setting spray. I love a setting spray. I love how cute this is. Shall we have a go of it? This will be my 3rd setting spray of the day. I love that it's little like this. Oh, it's got a nice scent to it. The spray is quite like, whoof. But I love that. that day. Very happy with that day. It's small, but I love that day. So that was 17, and I mean, that's something I'll use. Day number 18, we've got something that's shaped different. I don't think we've opened anything like this. Don't think we have. We've got lip balm. Oh, that's cute. I love the packaging on this. This is giving me very 2000s vibes. Actually, this whole advent calendar is giving me very like 90s, 2000 vibes, and that is it there. It's not filled the deepest, but I mean, that's cute. I definitely feel like this is aimed at young teens. Definitely. We are 19. Young teens now are wearing Charlotte Tilbury, by the way. 17, just saying. Not that I agree with that, but they are. I don't feel like teens are teens these days. But yeah, this is definitely aged at teens, young teens. So this is day number 19 is a 17 nail file. I'll use that. I use nail files all the time. It's just a nice mild grit nail file. More for natural nails, obviously not like nails like mine. Actually, these are my natural nails, by the way. These are my natural nails with a little bit of builder gel on. But yeah, so that was 19. We went day number 20. We have got a lipstick. So this is it here. I love the packaging on this. It doesn't say whether it's a matte or not. So yeah, we'll not be swatching that because I'm not making that mistake, and it doesn't look matte. And I only wear red matte red lipsticks. I'm not making that mistake again. I've got about 5 Giorgio Armani lipsticks that never get worn because they're not matte, and they're Giorgio Armani, which it's like they could have went to a better home. That was day number 20 in any way. So we went day number 21, which is here. We have got the limited edition blush. This looks really quite nice. This is what it looks like. Yeah, the packaging, I will say, on the blushes and stuff have improved from last year as well, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, really quite pretty. I love a good blush, but like I say, I feel like that bronzer one's going to be my blush from this. That was 21. We want day number 22. Ooh, what we got here? We have got a clear lip gloss. How satisfying does that look? Like how crystal clear it is. Actually beautiful. Has no scent whatsoever, which is good. It's cruelty free and vegan, so I'm assuming everything in this is cruelty free and vegan, which is fab. I never even thought to check that, but yeah, just noticed that. So that's 22 and 23. We have got another lipstick, and this is a nude lipstick, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, let's have a swatch at this one because this may be more of a wearable shade. Oh, very nice. That, how pretty is that? Really nice. That would be a shade I would wear. I mean, I wear reds, but only matte reds. So yeah, I quite like that. Nice enough. That was 23. We want 24, which I think is the last day because I can't see. 25. 24 is this face primer. Is this face primer? Have you seen all the little air bubbles in it? That's so putting me off. Let's have a squeeze of it and try it. I think it's shimmer particles actually. Sorry, it's shimmer particles. I thought it was like air bubbles, but no, it's a shimmery face primer. Yeah, it's shimmery. It's like shimmer particles that was in it. Oh, I quite like that. Yeah, I like that. I was like, oh, I'm not so keen on that. It looks like it's got loads of air bubbles in, but it's not. It's the shimmer particles. That's it there. And that is 24. That is the 17 Beauty Advent Calendar. I don't think this is a bad Advent Calendar, but because I've just unboxed the Profusion one, and the Profusion one is so, it's the same price, and my god, it's so much better than this one. I'm not gonna lie, it's like next level better than this one. I feel like this is aimed at younger, maybe 10, 11, 12 year olds. Yeah, that's why I think this is aimed at maybe 9, 10, 11, 12 year olds. It's nice enough. You're getting your money. Like, I feel like it's not overpriced. I feel like it's worth it. but when the Profusion one is the same price, I would just like recommend, me personally, I would recommend the Profusion one. The only real gripe I have about this is definitely the toenail clippers. 100% the toenail clippers are like, the toenail clippers and tweezers should have been the same day and we should have got a different product. But I just think that they should put their own products in this advent calendar, and I think it would make it so much better. I feel like people who maybe are buying this advent calendar are buying it to get their own product. That's the only thing I can think. So yeah, it's a bit of a but it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad for £30. But like I say, once you see the Profusion advent calendar, you'll know what I mean. You'll know what I mean. Unboxing, or if you've already seen it. But yeah, I'll link it down below for any of you who want this. Maybe you've got a younger, because I feel like the Profusion was maybe based a little bit older. This is maybe based for a younger tween. Yeah, I'll link it down below for any of you who would like this for someone, if it's available, because it has already sold out once. So I definitely think if you were after it and you stayed available, it might be worth getting. Yeah, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing anyways. If you like these type of videos, I do lots of advent calendar unboxings over the year. This is my 3rd advent calendar already, and yeah, I'm hoping to buy some more as well, but you know, funds. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.